Welcome to Breaking Wire. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. In early 2024, astronomers spotted a rare visitor from another star system, 3I Atlas. Only the third interstellar object ever detected, it was a cosmic message in a bottle, carrying secrets from a distant solar system. Unlike most comets and asteroids, 3I Atlas wasn't bound to our sun. It was just passing through. Discovered by Hawaii's Atlas survey, it appeared as a faint, fast-moving dot, its hyperbolic path confirming its interstellar origin. What set it apart was its brightness, much greater than previous visitors like Oumuamua and Borisov. This gave astronomers hope for unprecedented observations. Telescopes worldwide raced to study it before it vanished back into the void. The astronomical community buzzed with anticipation. A true alien artifact had arrived at our doorstep. Was its home system like ours? What was it made of? Every available instrument was trained on this fleeting guest. The cosmos had delivered a gift, and we were determined to unwrap its mysteries. For scientists, it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The race to understand 3I Atlas had begun. Once 3I Atlas was identified, a global campaign began. Telescopes on Earth and in space tracked its every move, mapping its path with precision. The sun's gravity bent its trajectory, but couldn't capture it. This was a cosmic slingshot in action. We expected it to swing around the sun and disappear forever, so every observation counted. Spectroscopy revealed hints about its composition, but the data was inconclusive. For weeks, 3I Atlas followed predictions perfectly, behaving like a textbook interstellar object. Then, a subtle deviation appeared. First a tiny lag, then a growing delay. Observatories confirmed the object was slowing down, not speeding up as gravity demanded. This was unprecedented. In the vacuum of space, with only gravity at play, such a slowdown was impossible. The celestial chase had taken a baffling turn. Scientists scrambled to explain the anomaly. Was it a measurement error? A new kind of physics? The world watched as the mystery deepened. 3I Atlas was rewriting the rules. Over the next 72 hours, 3I Atlas did the unthinkable. It stopped. Not just slowed, but came to a complete standstill relative to the stars. Imagine a cosmic traveler, millions of tons in mass, freezing mid-journey. Data from telescopes worldwide confirmed the impossible. No rocket plumes, no energy signatures, just silence. The laws of motion and gravity had been defied. Emergency meetings erupted at NASA and space agencies everywhere. Was this a new force of nature or something artificial? Theories flew. Unknown physics, alien technology, or a cosmic illusion? The object's stillness shook the foundations of astrophysics. Could this be a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence? The question echoed through scientific circles. 3I Atlas was no longer just a visitor, it was an enigma. The world held its breath. With 3I Atlas motionless, NASA made it a top priority. The Deep Space Network listened for signals. Nothing but silence. The James Webb Space Telescope was retasked, peering at the object in unprecedented detail. Its temperature matched that of a cold, inert rock. No heat, no engines, no artificial signatures. Chemically, it resembled a typical carbon-rich asteroid. Yet, it had performed an impossible feat. Every theory, magnetism, dark matter, unknown propulsion, failed to explain it. The contradiction was maddening, a natural-looking object, behaving unnaturally. Scientists pored over data, desperate for answers. Was it a cosmic trick, or a new chapter in physics? The investigation hit a wall. 3I Atlas remained silent, motionless, and utterly inexplicable. The mystery only deepened. The world demanded an explanation. The breakthrough came from the James Webb Space Telescope's sharp images. 3I Atlas wasn't a solid object. It was a diffuse cloud of fine dust, like a puff of smoke in space. But how could such a fragile cloud travel between stars and then stop? Astrophysicists modeled the forces at play: gravity and solar radiation pressure. For tiny dust grains, sunlight's push can balance gravity's pull. At a certain distance from the sun, these forces canceled out perfectly. 3I Atlas hadn't defied gravity. It had reached equilibrium. The dust cloud slowed as sunlight's pressure increased, finally balancing gravity and halting its motion. No new physics, no alien technology, just a delicate cosmic balance. The object's apparent stillness was a natural phenomenon. It was a cosmic mirage, not a miracle. The mystery was solved with elegant simplicity. The universe had surprised us with its creativity. Science had caught up with wonder. The dust cloud's existence raised new questions. Such a uniform, fragile cloud shouldn't survive a journey across interstellar space. Scientists theorized it was the remnant of a comet, shattered by its home star's heat. Explosive sublimation could have blasted it into a cloud of fine, uniform dust. Ejected from its system, the cloud traveled together, surviving the long voyage. We weren't seeing a solid object, but the ghostly remains of a shattered world. 3I Atlas was a cosmic ghost, not an alien probe. It was the echo of a distant catastrophe, a memory drifting through space. As it entered our solar system, sunlight's pressure slowed it to a standstill. The mystery was solved, not with new laws, but with a deeper understanding of old ones. The cosmos had delivered a poetic message. Science had revealed the beauty behind the enigma. The universe's creativity had once again outpaced our imagination. 3I Atlas shocked the world, not as an alien artifact, but as a phenomenon we never imagined. It showed that even familiar laws can create wonders that seem like magic. The discovery opened a new field, searching for interstellar dust clouds. These cosmic ghosts could reveal secrets about distant star systems. Their composition and size tell us about their origins and the stars they came from. What began as fear and confusion became awe and inspiration. The reality was more beautiful than fiction, a story of cosmic violence and delicate balance. Science didn't need new laws, just a new perspective. 3I Atlas taught us about discovery, humility, and the power of curiosity. The universe challenges our expectations, pushing us to deeper understanding. Each mystery solved is a new adventure. The cosmos remains full of surprises, and that is the grandest adventure of all.